Hello dears, let me jump straight to the point. Yesterday I posted the Scentopia giveaway vlog, and there's one giveaway rule stating that comment I love Scentopia and give me your email address. However, today then I realized those of you dears who given me the email address at the comment section as the comment, somehow YouTube blocked it. I cannot see the comment at all. I don't know why YouTube blocked this. And I think the next best thing for me to do is to revise the giveaway rules, and that's why I'm making this video. So sorry dears, you have to re-enter your comment because I really can't see. So the rules will be still the same. I will revise and provide the rules in the comment section below as well as the description box below. So simply the revised rule will be just comment I love Scentopia in the comment section. Do not give me your email address because I really can't see it. Same thing, this giveaway will close on the 7th day of this revised video. So from the comment, I will choose the winner. We will correspond through the comment section as of this video. Should the winner not responding me within 3 working days from the date I send you the notification that you are the winner, then I will choose another winner. I'm so sorry about the change dear, because I really do not know that YouTube actually blocked this. Please re-enter this giveaway. Thank you so much.